All right, well, David Woods is coming today. He's going to help us dig out that ditch in the front. That way we can put the culvert pipe in there. And then we have our cabinets being delivered. I'm a little sketched out about that because I feel like they're going to have a heck of a time getting that truck back here. I've been worried about how big the truck is coming in here, but it's coming. I got to run up front because David is about to get started. That stump was a pain, but David got it out. Now we're going to start digging the trench, put the culvert pipe in. Finally got the pipe in, thanks to David. We're gonna get some gravel covering this up. I tell you what, that's a big weight off my shoulders. I've been ready for that pipe to go in. Now we can kind of start dressing up the front, and I think we're getting close to the home stretch, man. It's gotta be. I'm about to yell uncle because I'm ready for this to be over. All right, guys, well, we got the pipe in. The front of the driveway has all been formed. It's exactly what we wanted. David came through for us again. He's the landscape magician, so he has helped us out tremendously. And I don't know if you remember from one of the earlier episodes, but our big marker rock, the boulder that's gonna carry our address numbers on it, that's been relocated. And it looks great. Everything does. So we're really excited about getting this taken care of. We're gonna probably tackle some planting or something up here. We got to stabilize this soil, get a little bit of pine straw spread. We've got a great area here for some specimen trees we're gonna put in, but it's really coming along. It looks great. We're really happy. Can't wait for you guys to see the rest of it. right, well, the cabinets just got delivered. That was a lot of work, a lot of confusion. We didn't have a planogram with us, and that was our bad. We should have had that prepared, ready to go, so we knew exactly what size cabinet went where. Now we got a mess of cabinets. We're gonna have to start opening up all the boxes to figure out where things go, but that's all right. We'll get it done. At least the cabinets are here. We may have a couple back orders, but hopefully not. So as you can see, we have quite the mountain of cabinets, and I'm gonna try to start sorting through this. And Jana has gone to rescue me. She's gonna print out the planogram and make sure that we have signed for all the right stuff. I know it'll work its way out. Now, all of these cabinets have a specific place, a specific home. I know up here approximately where they go, but it's a lot of cabinets, so that planogram is going to come in handy.